Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Katanya. Today's video is going to be a tag video. I'm going to be collaborating with my new friend. Her name is Lizzy and you can find her over at her channel at SuperLizzyBaby. And the tag video we're going to be doing today is the new YouTuber tag. So let's get started on these 20 questions. What is your name and the name of your channel? My name is Katanya and the name of my channel is Pink Lilies Home Decor and DIYs. What does the name of your channel mean? The name of my channel is one of my favorite colors combined with my favorite flower, so pink lilies. Where are you from? I am from Alabama. I am from a small town right outside of Tuscaloosa, Alabama. I was born and raised in Alabama. Why did you start a YouTube channel? I started a YouTube channel because it's something that I always wanted to do. I always wanted to start a YouTube channel and create things. I love to make paintings, mostly abstract painting. I love to do abstract painting and I love to do crafting. What will your channel be about? My channel will be about my lifestyle, DIY, be doing DIYs, shopping, me decorating my home. I have a new home and I've pretty much gotten rid of a lot of things, so I'm going to be redecorating my home and just showing how you can decorate on a budget. Who is your target audience? My target audience, I will hope to inspire those who are trying to decorate their home on a budget. Showing what you can do on a small budget, and not so much as on a small budget, just watching how much you spend, and not so much as creating either, going around and shopping and shopping smart. I would love to be able to guide you and show you what you can do instead of going to go and buy this big expensive painting. You can create that same painting yourself if you have just a little bit of creativity. Sometimes you don't even need to have creativity, just a steady hand and be able to mimic and create the same lines. That's exactly what I did. That's what I learned on YouTube. I learned a lot of this stuff by watching things on YouTube, other videos on YouTube. What do you hope to achieve with your channel? I hope to inspire others, motivate and help others by saving money, making dupes instead of spending a lot of money, as well as shopping smart like I was saying before. And also another key thing, you can find things that you cannot find in stores by thrifting. My aunt is so gracious enough that she lives in Durham and she goes to all these estate sales and she is able to buy things for me that I can't buy in stores anymore. And these are nice, very nice stuff. And it costs little to nothing. Little to nothing. You're going to be seeing a video coming up soon where she has purchased some things from me from a recent estate sale and she brought them down for me. So stay tuned and be watching out for that video. Next question, let's see. Top 3 favorite YouTubers. I have more than 3 favorite YouTubers, but to name the top 3, Shanthi at Shanthi's Lifestyle, Sharon She So Fabulous, and Nitraa B at Nitraa B TV or Nitraa B. And to name just a few more, AmBam's Life, Angel Grace 2, and oh my goodness, what is her name? Let's see, next question. Who inspired you to start your channel? That person knows exactly who she is because I tell her every single time that we talk, and her name is Shanthi. Shanthi has inspired me so much in a time of need of being in a very low place. I happened to turn on YouTube and there she was on my screen and I binge watched her. I don't know what it was about this woman, but she truly got me up out of my bed and inspired me and motivated me to do things. She pointed out things I don't think she even noticed, but she pointed out so many things that I have wanted to do and I just wasn't doing them, and she just helped motivate me to get up and get going and to do those things. If you could collab with anyone, any YouTuber, who would it be? I would love to collab with Shanthi and AmBam's Life. I would love to collab with those two. Really would love to collab with those two. Three reasons anyone should subscribe to your channel: for inspiration, for motivation, for time and money well saved, once again, for ideas, guidance, on how to be able to maintain your home with 3 busybodies in it and be able to clean it within an hour. And also, sometimes while I'm doing cleaning, I am also cooking. So I have 3 beautiful young ladies in my life, and they are of the age 3, 8, and 10. And they keep me busy. The 8 and 10-year-old are obviously in school, but I have a 3-year-old here with me. And we are together majority of the day. And I get up at 6:15 every morning, no matter what the day is. And she is up at 6:15. Yes. Sometimes I can't even get her to take a nap. I try to get most of my cleaning done during the time that she's sleeping, but oh my God, I cannot get her to go to sleep at all time. Let's see. Which channel already on YouTube would your channel most likely be like? Again, AmBam's Life, Shanthi's Lifestyle, my, and also Decorating with Barbara. My channel would most likely be like theirs. Although I am not trying to make it like theirs, it just would most likely be like theirs because I will be doing lifestyle videos, shopping videos, clean with me. What is your favorite thing about the YouTube community? How helpful everyone is, how attentive everyone is. If there's a problem, people reach out and help you. If someone is looking for a particular item and they don't have that item in their store, there are people who are kind enough to go and, if it's a small item, purchase that item for that person, that YouTuber, and ship it to them. Yes, they're paying them back, but the kindness of them and that one act of them helping them out because they know how much they really, really, really want that item, and they're going out their way to help. Good hearts. What do you think you could do to bring the YouTube community, bring to the YouTube community that's not already there? Nothing. It's perfect. I like it just the way it is. I wouldn't do anything to change it. 3 things we should know about you. 3 things you should know about me. I no longer live in Alabama. I have a degree in medical administration, and I'm a gamer. I love to play games. I love to play online games. Mostly, you want to know what my favorite games are? Sims and Call of Duty. Call of Duty is one of the games that me and my husband play as our favorite pastime with one another. That's what we do mostly on the weekends and sometimes at night as a downer to try to slow our night down so we can get ready to rest. But that's one of the games that we play together, and I love it. I love it. What do you think the hardest thing would be about becoming a YouTuber? I think the hardest thing for me was stepping out of my comfort zone and being able to do something that is so terrifying but also exciting. But being in front of a camera on video is difficult and hard. I love to take pictures, but being recorded is something totally different for me. So I think that would be one of the hardest things, and having people who are not supporting you and having your back. That can be bad, especially if you have people who are discouraging you and trying to only direct you towards a negative path instead of trying to uplift you. you need a very, very strong support system. And the first people who should be supporting you is your family and your friends. And sometimes you have to watch them. So I encourage you to not get discouraged and to always stay motivated. What do you think the most rewarding thing would be? I think the most rewarding thing for me would be right now is to start earning money on YouTube, as well as getting my first YouTube plaque, and also getting sponsors. I would love to get sponsors. I love wearing makeup. Absolutely love it. Tammi is my favorite makeup YouTuber on here. I'm going to link her down below as well. She is how I learned how to put on makeup, because I did not know how to wear makeup at all. Here I was in my 20s, back 25 years old, and all I wore was lip gloss. Did not know how to apply makeup, and she was a godsend. She's how I learned how to put on makeup. So I would really love to get makeup sponsors, or anything that has to do with my home, anything that has to do with my children. I would just love to be sponsored by someone. Do you see yourself being on YouTube for a long time? Yes, I do. I do see myself being on YouTube for a long time. I do not see myself coming off YouTube. Even if I do go back to working outside of my home, I can make time. I can find time to do YouTube, because this is something I've always wanted to do. Do you have any tips or advice for anyone who are just starting out a YouTube channel? Again, have a strong support system behind you, and don't let anyone talk you out of doing something, talk you out of doing this, talk you out of starting YouTube. Let it be something that you step all the way into. Have both feet in it, not one behind you, but both in the same spot with you, in front of you. Keep looking forward and don't look back. Don't let anyone discourage you. Also, do not buy a bunch of expensive equipment when you first start out. One thing that I did buy is I had a camera, but my tripod was a smaller tripod, and I am tall. I'm 5'11". So my tripod come up to like 36 inches, I think. That's not tall enough. So my husband did gift me with a taller tripod. Now, I also use a free software which came with my computer. Do not go out and buy a bunch of stuff when you first start out, because sometimes it just may not be for you. So I do want to give that advice. Do not go out and spend a lot, and do have a strong... That's the end of all the questions, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Please go over and check out my new friend Lizzy and SuperLizzyBaby. I will link her channel down below. Also, go over to my friend Shanthi's channel and check out AmBam's as well. She's very good. I love hers as well. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a good day.